On the left side of the screen, you will see a list containing all the accommodation, experiences, and flights included in your package. Each item is represented by a specific icon that identifies its type. A bed icon represents accommodation. A hiker symbol represents experiences. An airplane icon represents flights. A diamond icon represents optional extras. In addition to the icons themselves, the color of the icon shows the current status of the item. Green icons mean the item is available and has been selected as part of the package. Orange icons indicate that the item is optional and has not yet been selected. Red icons show that the item is currently unavailable and not included in the booking.